Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Civil Graphics. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to design a certificate in CorelDraw. So stick with me to the end of this tutorial. This is a simple process, and for beginners or experts, you can just follow through. Now, please make sure you turn on notification and subscribe. So without wasting too much of our time, let's jump right into this video. I'm here in CorelDraw, and our design size will be 11 by 8 inches. That is the A4 print size. So here we have this, and this is in landscape. So we double click. So we're going to double click on the rectangle tool to bring out the outline of this shape. So I'm going to double click on this. Now you can see that. Now this is going to be in airline. Now let's move on with our view. Now you can see these are some the tools or materials I'm going to be using for this design. So here we have a background. Now I'm going to import it into our shape here, and also this and the logo, and thus this design here. I'm going to work with all of them. Now first thing first, let us design our background. Now take this here. Now this will be provided in the description, so you can just click on the link to download this. So now right click and power clip inside this shape. So we power clip it inside. Now we're going to edit this. Now right click and edit power clip, and once you've done that, we are going to increase the size at the edge. Just drag to increase the size. Now hold your alt key on your keyboard, and you're just going to edit this to increase the size. Using your alt key, you click and drag. So let's check this out. Right click and finish editing this level. So okay, now let's still do some changes. Okay, now for this also, hold your alt, hold your alt, and let's check this out. Okay, nice. This is still looking okay. Let's fix this other down part. Let's fix this. Now let's check this out. Now it's looking nice and okay. So the next thing now we're going to do is to add this design to our background. Now let's increase the size. So all this will be provided in the description, so you can check and download these resources. So right click and power clip inside. Now let's edit power clip. Now for here, now I'm going to go at the top. So let me just increase the size. So you can see this mirror vertical and mirror horizontal. So what we're going to do is to click on mirror vertical at the down. Just click on it. So you can give it this. Now let us zoom out, and I'll just increase the size. Okay, so let me increase the size. Now let us increase the size. This is looking too big. Now holding your alt, so we're going to click. Now also for the other side, holding your alt key, you drag inside, and for here you drag inside. Okay, still holding your alt. Just want to align this with the other shape. Now let's drag down a little bit. Now drag down a little bit. So let me zoom this so you can see this properly. Now holding your alt key, you drag down. Well, you can see this blue line, this is where it cuts out, so we need to take this up a little bit so it can align with this. So you can see this. Now let's go up and hold your alt key and drag, and hold your alt key. Let's take this outside. Okay, it has already moved past the blue line, so let's put it and let's check this out. And this is looking nice. Now we want to remove this red background that came with the background. So you can see this red part, we just want to clean that up. So now we're going to go to our tools. Let's see. So we're going to use the eraser tool and hold your alt. So we're going to select the background, use the eraser tool to clean the part out. So let's clean that part out. Now once you have done with that, so you can see that we use the eraser tool now to clean out that red background. All right, now let's increase this a little bit to align with this other background. So hold your alt key and drag a little bit. Okay, drag inside. So we want to align it. Okay, now let's right click and finish editing this. So this, let's check this out. Now this is looking nice. So the next thing, now we're going to add our contents for this design. So let's move on. Now first thing first, we're going to take this and we're going to place it here. So let us place it here. For this is the badge. Now we have here, now this is our content. Now to add this, we're going to break text apart, and that's we're going to use Ctrl K to break text apart. Now this will select the text one by one. So for the other text, I'm just going to keep it by the other side here because we are still coming for that. Now certificate of appreciation. Now let's use the Montserrat font. Now go to text, change case to uppercase, and we can increase the size. So I'm going to save this work. So it's also good, very good to save your work as you go on designing. Now for this, now we're going to break this and take it down. Certificate of appreciation. Now we're going to align them to center. So right above here, you go to non left, center right, full justify, you go to center. Now we're going to enlarge this certificate, so let's make that bigger. All right, Now certificate of appreciation, let's make this smaller. Okay, now we can also reduce the line height, that lies the line spacing between these two texts. Now let's go to, you can go to text properties. The shortcut is Ctrl T. This will bring out the text properties. You can see it here. Now let me zoom this so you can see this properly. Now let's reduce the line height, so we can just reduce this. So let me just put this as 90. Then this certificate, let's take our content, go to text, change case to uppercase. Now change your text to Montserrat. Let's use medium. Now for the next one, we have name, surname. Now for this, we can just use a stylish font. Now let us go through our font. So what can there are so many stylish fonts. Now once you change the font, we can increase the size. Let's use, okay, now let's put this right here. Now to create a line for this name and surname, now go to your tools. Under your tools, go to freehand tool. So this is it right here, freehand tool. So you just click on it. Shortcut is F5. Once you click on it, now to create this line, click and hold your control to drag. Control, you continue to draw the straight line, then you click. So this is it. Now you can put this right here. So we have the name, surname. So let's just reduce this a little bit. You can also make it thicker. You can put it at 1.0, whatever you just wish. Now we have this name, surname. Next thing we are going to take is the lorem text. Remember we broke this using the control key. So we are going to put this back. So Control X. Now let's join the text together. So let's put this like this. Now change to Montserrat. Let's use normal and reduce the font size to about 18. But we still have this part here. Let's add it. Let's add it. So we also change everything to Montserrat and give it 18. So, and we have our text, and to center this at the top here, you just go to center and we place it right here. So let's not forget our logo. Our logo will be also at the right hand side. apply all this. Let's select it and center it. So center, C is the shortcut to center, and for this you can place it here, reduce the size. This you can reduce the size. You can also use the guideline to align this together. So you can see that this is not aligned. Now let's check this out. So, and we have that. The next we're going to do now is to put the date and the signature. Now remember how we created this. So you take your freehand tool, then let me zoom this. Take your freehand tool, hold your control, then click, then drag, then you click, and as simple as that. So we have the dates. Let's change this to capital letter, then we give it Montserrat. So for the signature also we change it to capital letter, and we give it the same font. So let's just duplicate this, Ctrl D to duplicate, or you drag and you right click. Now let's check what we've done. So this is looking nice. Now let's finish this up. For our dates, we can reduce the font and give it 18, and our signature we can give it 18. Now we can place it and select both and center it. Now using our guideline, let's take this here, make sure they are aligned. And they are aligned. So let's go back to our design. We have certificate of appreciation. For this we are going to give it semi-bold, and we can put the line height at 85. Okay, 80, let's try 80. It seems okay. And the certificate is presented. Let's can give it semi-bold. Okay, let's try bold. Now for our badge, let's reduce the company size. And we have our certificates, and we center it. And we have our design, and this is looking nice and beautiful. Now to round this up and finish this up, we're going to select, first of all we're going to remove this outline. So let me show you. You can see this black outline, we're going to remove it. So let's let's remove the outline. So you click on it, and right here, so let me zoom. Just okay, bringing this design, you can see this black outline. We need to remove this black outline. Now we're going to click on this, right click on this cross line, this X symbol, you right click, so you can see that this black outline is gone. Once we've done that, then we can group our design with Ctrl G. You select all and Ctrl G to group, and we have our certificate design. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please, if you like this video, please subscribe, like, comment and share, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you so much for watching.